Hello, I'm going to be doing a short tutorial on how to create your own cost comparison list. Now, I say comparison because what we're going to do is basically you can either create a list and a cost and a location for, say, like Christmas shopping. You're going to put the name, the item, the cost, and the location where you can get it there. Now, where the comparison piece comes in is you can insert another, just right click on this, insert another column like so, and you can put cost on there also, and then insert one for location here. Insert, oops, wrong side. We'll turn this one into cost, this one into location. So you can do this. There's also another way you could do it. You could put cost / location, but I wouldn't suggest it for this tutorial because, or for in this, I'm not going to do it in this example because we're going to add the costs up so that you know, so that you will be able to know how much it is going to cost total. I'll give you an example. Let's put a name. I will put, let's say it's going to be for Elizabeth. And let's say she wants a Nintendo DS game. Well, they usually cost the one that she wants. And in the item, you can also put which ones. So we can make this column a little bit bigger. You just click on it and make it bigger. At this point, since we've already written in that field, you have to go up here to this field. Nintendo DS game. She wants the Moshi. Okay. Normal cost for this at Target, $29.99 each. I'm going to put Target. Let's say for purposes of, I wasn't going to do this with a tutorial, but this is how life is. Got to be flexible. Let's say I know that it Toys R Us, they have them for $20 a piece. It's 2 for $40. Okay, and that's at Toys R Us. Okay, if you'll notice here, this one right here says 20. What I'm going to do is go down from here all the way down. Say I'm going to do 20 items. I'm going to right click on that. I am going to format the cell. I'm going to do that as currency. See this sample right here? That shows me 2 decimals. That's what I'm going to do. Right here, I'm going to do the same thing here down to 20, just so that I can know for sure that my cells are formatted correctly. See, currency. So that I know whenever we go to add them, then they will be, it'll tell us how much we are going to need total for, say, Christmas. Let's say Mom wants a heart necklace. Okay, let's say that they're $59.99 at JCPenney's. Okay, and let's say that they are $69.99 at let's say that that's how much they are at Target. Okay, now if I were making my list at, this is my backup. This is my one. You can make your cost. What I would suggest is do your first column. Keep them consistent. Is your first column going to be the better deal, or is it going to be the more expensive deal? And is your second cost going to be, plan B, plan 2? You're going to have some leeway room here, or is this going to be the cost, your second plan? So if that's what I'm going to do, we notice that $69.99 is right here is the higher price. JCPenney's the $59.99 is the lower price. Let's switch these. Let's do this one as the 20 and do that one as Toys R Us. And let's go with the $29.99 for Target. Okay. That way, if they're out over here and maybe they have some over here, I mean, you're going to modify this as you need to. But I'm just showing you how to do this for purposes of a budget. Or, you know, we're budgeting how much we need in order for everybody's Christmas. I'm only going to use these two just for purposes of the length of this video. We're already at 5 minutes, almost 6, so I don't want to make it last too long. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight both these fields. I'm going to click on this one and I'm going to highlight this field. Okay, I'm going to go up here to formulas. I've already got that one clicked, so you have your home, and there's one right here. It says formulas. So I'm going to click on formulas. I'm going to insert a function. Whoops, hold on, back up. We're going to go down to this one, insert function. It gives me this. I can either type in adding or sum. So most recently used is the sum. Okay, and so which fields do I want to? You can see where it says fields C2 and C3. What it's referring to is our column C and our rows 2 and 3. So that's what we would want. And see, then it adds them together right there, and that would be our totals. What I usually do is make that one a different color. I'll do like that to indicate that's the total. So that's just a short tutorial on how you can create a budget on here. If you're a student, this is a great way for you to budget, to learn about budgets and learn how to save, and do that in some of your economic classes, marketing classes. If you're a teacher, this is a great tool to use in your lesson plans in order to teach kids how to do a budget. And if you're a parent, or perhaps just somebody who wants to learn how to use the functions a little bit better, this is a great little way to get comfortable with that. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed that video, as scattered as it might have been. I use these all the time. Thanks.